The Right Information Bill was taken up for debate in Parliament today.
No government will be able to conceal information in the future. This gives not only the select committees but also the general public the right to obtain information. I believe that 4,000 officers have been identified so far to implement this.
Chandra Jayaratne has addressed a letter to the central bank on the 19th of April seeking information on central bank bond issuances from about 4 or 5 months back. Before this bill has even been adopted, the Secretary of the Monetary Board and the Deputy Governor of the Central Bank, on the basis of a bill that was only in draft form, refused to provide this information. If you are attempting to cover up such incidents through these sections of the bill, I do not think that is what the people are hoping for.
Past leaders have questioned why you need an act in order to obtain information. Leaders of that era acted in a manner where they said, if you want to know about anything, then ask me. I wish to know that this is a major victory for the people that has been won through the Maitri Ranil government. This is for the general public, and I'm happy that we are able to introduce this bill on the birthday of our late President Ranasinghe Premadasa, and that we will be able to adopt it the day after.
I have problems with certain sections. I take issue with the fact that as per Section 38, institutions under the Public Service Commission have been exempted. I can see that this presents an obstacle to securing such information. Therefore, I wish to say that these matters require amendments.
We saw what happened when media organizations and journalists volunteered to submit information. Journalists like Sanath Balasuriya and Poddala Jayantha had to flee their motherland and go abroad as refugees. We saw what happened to Eknaligoda. We saw how Lasantha Wickrematunge was murdered on the street. We know how the Sirasa Media Network was bombed. To date, this company has not received insurance payments amounting to 300 million. As a country that has come through such an era, as a country that is progressing with technology, the Right to Information Bill is a necessity.
Revelation of information should not result in harm to the public interest, but at the same time, the immense good to the public interest that results from revelation of information must not be sacrificed. Institutions established under this law have a very responsible task. One can only hope that in this country's interest, this law will be fearlessly and impartially implemented by the institutions responsible for the implementation of this law. Consequently, the people of this country would be able to realize good governance, clean governance, transparent governance, and this country would be set on a different course